Bassanio, Madam, you have bereft me of all words. Only my blood speaks to you in my veins, and there is such confusion in my powers, as after some oration fairly spoke by a beloved prince, there doth appear among the buzzing pleased multitude, where every something being blend together turns to a wild of nothing save of joy, expressed and not expressed. But when this ring parts from this finger, then parts life from hence. Oh, then be bold to say Bassanio's dead. Now, here in these paragraphs, in this paragraph, Bassanio says that you are depriving me of all my words. You have said such things that I have no words to say anything to you. How can I show my love to you? I don't know. There is much confusion in my thoughts. After the speech, it looks as if after a speech of a beloved prince, everybody is delighted, and every one is feeling blended together, and there's a wild confusion that is created in my mind. Save of joy means joy which I am having the joy of winning this casket, but yet I am also sad because I am unable to believe that I have won the casket, he says. So he says also, he tells that he promises Portia that he will never part with this ring, and if ever he parted with the from the ring, that means that she should think that Bassanio is dead. That means that only on at his death he will part, otherwise he will never part from the ring. Nerissa, my lord and lady, it is now our time that have stood by and seen our wishes prosper, to cry, good joy, my lord and lady. Now here Nerissa is saying, my lord and lady, here are, she is addressing to Bassanio is the lord and the lady is Portia. She says that now the time for us is come to wish great joy, and the joy always, my lord and lady, she wishes them that they have prospered in choosing the casket, and now she says now it is our time, it is now our time, means it is her time now. And with this she means that actually Nerissa and Graciano also liked each other, and they were waiting that when Bassanio will choose the right casket and will be about to marry Portia, then only they will agree and they will decide and tell them that they were in love with each other, Nerissa and Graciano. Because if they do not marry, then Nerissa and Graciano also would not marry. So therefore Graciano also says, my lord Bassanio and my gentle lady, I wish you all the joy that you can wish, for I am sure you can wish none from me. And when your honours mean to solemnize the bargain of your faith, I do beseech you, even at that time I may be married too. Now here Graciano is saying that I wish you all luck, both my lady and my lord. He is wishing them because now they are going to get married. It is sure that they would marry each other. Till now they loved each other, but it was not sure that they would marry each other. But now that Bassanio has chosen the right casket, he is going to marry, and therefore Graciano wishes Bassanio and Portia, he wishes good luck, and he is very happy at this moment. But he says that when you celebrate your engagement, when you have your engagement, when you promise to each other to marry, then that time you should also allow us to marry. Allow me to marry, he says, for himself. You should allow me to marry. Then Bassanio says, of course, with all my heart, so thou canst get a wife. Means, of course, I'll allow you to marry, but you must get a wife for yourself. Then Graciano says, I thank your lordship, you have got me one. My eyes, my lord, can look as swift as yours. You saw the mistress, I beheld the maid. You loved, I loved, for intermission. No more pertains to me, my lord, than you. Your fortune stood upon the caskets there, and so did mine too, as the matter falls. For wooing here until I sweat again, and swearing till my very roof was dry. With oaths of love at last, if promise last, I got a promise of this fair one here, to have her love, provided that your fortune achieved her mistress. Now here, Graciano is thanking Bassanio. He's very happy because when he asked Bassanio that get me engaged on the day, on your engagement, get me married, then Bassanio says yes, and then Graciano is very happy and he says, yes, I have found a wife for myself. And he tells Bassanio that you are swift and so am I. You found the mistress and I found the maid. That means that he found the mistress, that is Portia, and he found her maid, that is Nerissa. And he says that our fate depended on your fate. Over here he says, because if Bassanio would marry Portia, choose the right casket and marry Portia, then only Graciano would marry Nerissa. So he says our fate of marrying each other depended on your fate. Now that you have chosen the right casket, so we are also means we also can get married to each other. So with all my energy, and he says in all my vows, till the very proof of my mouth, till it becomes dry, I make a promise, and I tell you that I will marry this maid Nerissa, and she would love me provided you had the fortune of winning her mistress. Means you have had the fortune of winning her mistress, so therefore I also would marry Nerissa. So Portia, is this true, Nerissa? Portia turns round to Nerissa and asks that, is this true, Nerissa? And Nerissa says, Madam, it is so, you stand pleased with all. Means that if it pleases you, it is quite true. She agrees. And then Bassanio says, and do you, Graciano, mean good faith? Means, do you really wish to marry her? He asks, Bassanio asks Graciano.